D5 Render versus Enscape versus Lumion. So D5 Render is a real-time ray tracing rendering designed for architects and designers. It blends ease of use with high-quality results, focusing on photorealism and speed. So for the pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers real-time ray tracing. It also has a lighting and user-friendly UI. It also offers a rich asset library, which includes materials, vegetations, furnitures, and other things. It also has a smooth workflow, which integrates with other platforms, and it has fast results compared to other platforms. Now for the cons though, it is having a hardware intensive and needs a strong GPU to run smoothly. It's also less flexible compared to Unreal engines, and there are a smaller community, so it's still growing and not big. Now, Enscape, on the other hand, is a real-time rendering and VR visualization tool widely used by architects. It's known for seamless integration with CAD and BIM softwares, making it perfect for design workflows. Now, for the pros, it has direct integration, a real-time feedback, VR-ready, easy learning curve, and a lightweight workflow. Now, for the cons, though, there are some fewer advanced effects, limited customization, and it only has a subscription model. Then lastly we have is Lumion. Lumion is a popular 3D rendering software that specializes in producing cinematic quality images and videos. It's widely used for client presentations and marketing visuals. So for the pros, it offers highly cinematic visuals, a massive asset library, a powerful animation tool, and it's very easy to learn with a friendly UI and quick rendering options. And it's also reliable for large projects. The cons is though, it is not real time. It has a high system requirements and it's also less interactive. So overall, choose D5 Render if you want a real-time ray tracing and quick photorealistic visuals with an easy workflow. And choose Enscape if you need seamless CAD integration and VR-ready real-time feedback. And then lastly, choose Lumion if you're aiming for cinematic, polished animations and client presentations.